saddle kept hitting my nuts.
These guys don't know the difference between a bull market and a bear market. But today, they'll have to learn all about investing while riding a mechanical bull. Whoever attains the most wins a cash prize. This is Ridiculous Lessons in Money.
Today's expert is Mark Setlock. Over 1 million people follow Mark's TikTok for his takes on finance, investing, and all things money.
So what got me passionate originally is actually investing in the companies that I believed in. When I was a kid, I used to play Call of Duty, so my first stock I ever bought was Activision Blizzard.
Mark will attempt to teach Investing 101 while our contestants take on their challenge.
I think it's gonna be pretty hard for the contestants to stay on that bull and stay focused while listening to the definitions. We'll see what happens.
Let's meet our brave bull riders.
My name is Sean Manna, and I'm an actor, writer, director.
My name is Cooper, and I am a full-time actor, which also means that I'm unemployed.
My name is Tyler Hawkins, and I am a security guard, top flight security guard of the world.
I'm ready to give me my money.
All right, how you feeling up there? You ready?
We're good to go.
Perfect. You're gonna have 3 minutes. Mark here is gonna read you a lesson in investing. Do your best to retain it while also staying on the bull. If you fall off the bull, he will stop reading the lesson.
Yeah.
You still have 3 minutes though to get back on. Once you're on the bull, the lesson will resume.
Got you.
Great, I'm ready.
And go.
All right, the stock market refers to the exchange of shares of publicly traded companies. A stock represents a share in the ownership of a company, including a claim on the company's earnings and assets. When the value of a business rises or falls, so does the value of the stock.
Right. My level of financial literacy is 0. I like spending what I have. Once I get the money in my hands, it's out of my hands. That's why I leave it all to my wife.
Companies issue new stocks and securities to raise capital, a fancy word for cash, and investors trade those securities on stock exchanges. The 2 largest stock exchanges in the United States are the New York Stock Exchange and the National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations, commonly known as NASDAQ. Compound interest is when the money you earn on...
Ooh, he's off. He took a dive. Get back on there, Cooper.
You got it. Okay. Compound interest is when the money you earn on an investment starts to earn its own interest over time. Simply put, it is interest on interest.
I feel like I am pretty financially literate and could make good decisions. I just tend not to.
Right. Thanks to compound interest, your money may grow faster than it would through simple interest.
I am nervous about falling and cracking my neck and skull and all that, you know? I don't want to break any limbs.
Which only pays on the initial principal.
Get back on.
The more often the interest is compounded, the faster your money will grow. A bull market is when the stock market experiences a sustained period of rising prices, often fueled by investor optimism.
I'm not optimistic about him staying on that bull.
It takes a special person to really get a handle on the mechanical bull. I don't necessarily think that's in my natural talent.
Strong economic indicators and a general sense of confidence. In a bull market, you got it, get back on there. Stock prices generally increase and investors are more likely to buy, expecting prices to go even higher.
1 minute left.
A bear market occurs when the market is in a prolonged decline, usually marked by a 20% or more drop in prices from recent highs. Bear markets are often driven by economic downturn, investor pessimism,
Keep going.
or financial crises, leading investors to sell their stocks to avoid further losses.
All right, 30 more seconds.
A index fund is a group of investments, like stocks, that are pre-selected and used to track their performance. Investors, get back on, you're almost done. Investors can use indexes to gauge their performance of other investments, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. The S&P 500 and Dow Jones are 2 examples of popular stock indexes. You can't directly invest in an index, but you can buy an index fund or exchange-traded fund.
All right, you're done. Give it up for Cooper, everybody. All right. Get him off that thing. Give him a round of applause.
I don't think I learned anything.
Come on down, Cooper. Come on down, right next to me. That, sir, was very impressive. I really commend your eye contact. Way more intimate than the other people have been. But probably necessary for retaining that information.
Yeah.
Do you think so?
I think so.
Was that a part of your strategy, was to maintain eye contact the whole time?
I had a plan.
What was that like, though?
That was horrible, but fun at the same time.
What was the worst part?
The saddle kept hitting my nuts.
I appreciate you for that. I'm sure it must have been tough to learn while your nuts were being repeatedly smacked by a bull, but let's see how you did. Are you ready for your quiz?
No.
All right, first question. These are all multiple choice, so you got that going for you. What does investing allow you to do with your money? Is it A, keep it safe, B, grow it over time, C, spend it while getting extra cash back, or D, avoid any risks?
B.
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 All right. Why do companies issue stocks? Is it A, to raise capital, B, to avoid paying taxes, C, to increase employee benefits, or D, to reduce product costs?
D.
A.
A.
What is compound interest? A, interest earned on the initial principal, B, interest that decreases as the investment gains value, C, interest that stops growing after 1 calendar year, or D, interest earned on both the initial principal and previously earned interest?
D.
A.
D.
Okay. Is any of this tracking, or are you just guessing right now?
The saddle kept hitting my nuts.
What does NASDAQ stand for? I know you know this one. A, National Association of Stock and Derivatives Quotation. B, North American Stock Dealers and Quoters. C, National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. D, New American Securities and Dividends Alliance Quotation.
C.
A.
I'm gonna say B.
Okay. In which market are stock prices generally on the rise, creating confidence amongst investors? A, bull market. B, bear market. C, volatile market, or D, corrective market?
B.
B.
A.
Which of the following is an example of a stock index? A, the New York Stock Exchange. B, the FDIC. C, the Federal Reserve, or D, the S&P 500?
A.
C.
D.
And the last question. A market is typically labeled a bear market when stock prices have fallen by what percentage? A, 5%, B, 10%, C, 20%, or D, 30%?
C.
D.
C.
All right, that's all we got for you. Congratulations.
That's all I got for you.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
All right, it's time for the results. All right, how are we feeling, guys? What was that experience like? A little
Hands
sore?
hurt.
A little sore.
Yeah, I'm still like gauging gravity a little bit, you know?
All right, I think we all learned a valuable lesson in investing, and we also learned that tracksuits are possibly the worst thing you can wear while riding a bull. But let's get to the important matter, and that is the real money in this briefcase. The winner of today's episode is Sean! Give it up for Sean, everybody! That's right, that is it for Ridiculous Lessons in Money. Like, comment, subscribe for more. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Woo! Don't let anything, not even a mechanical bull, throw you off your investing game. MoneyLion offers fully managed investing with personalized portfolios, auto investing, and other awesome features. Check it out on the MoneyLion app. Woo!